All right, then let's move to real data analysis. Okay, here, let me make a new folder. Okay, let me cross this script here, just copy and paste it here. Data. And here, then let me change name. Data. Here. Okay. Now let me open it. Okay. Okay. So then we don't need this DGP, right? What we need is data loading. Right? And then I'm gonna use the data for the midterm report. Okay, let me paste here. Okay. Okay. So again, when you do the midterm reports, please do not use the variable selection method. Okay, just use the linear regression. Okay, and let me open the data. Let's see. It should be coming up. Why it runs so slowly? Maybe uh, maybe it's because of the recording program. Okay, here. Okay, so then data starts from B3. Okay, B3, and then the first line is of course the dependent variable, and then I'm gonna load the data, say, and maybe too much, so then let me consider the data here, maybe too much, so then okay, so then G, oh no, G is too small, so then maybe P. Okay, P, B32, P162. Okay, here, B32, P162. Okay, the data, of course, Excel read, and file name is xlsxread, and the file name is data house prices, and seat name is seat1. Okay, that's it. And just to ensure that the data is loaded, let me run this. Okay, data house prices. What I have to put this? Yeah. I'm sorry. Yeah. So then maybe just XLS. I think it's still running, right? You can see here busy, right? Okay. It's got this really slow because of the recording program. Okay, it's done, and let me open the data. Open data. Okay, looks like data have been well loaded. Yes. Okay, I can see the numbers. Okay, looks good. Looks good. And then, all right, we have 15 regressors. Okay, 15 regressors. Okay, here. So then dependent variable y equals data. Okay, data. Okay, colon, comma 1, first column. Okay, and then it should be the observation at time t. So then it should be 1, 2 colon and end. And x should be what? Data. X should start at 1 and it should end at n minus 1, because we have to use one-time lag variables, right? And here is from the second column to the last column. Okay. Okay. So then, okay, so then we have, oh no, the workspace data. Right, we have 15 variables, and then the first one is dependent variable, and then the others are regressors. So that means we have 14 regressors actually. No, actually 15, because we have to use the interceptor, right? Once rows of y, comma 1. Okay, right. Here there must be bracket, right? Okay, so then I have defined y and x, and then anything else we have to do. Yeah, 0.01 is quite large according to my experience. It's just 0.01 or 0.001. Yeah. Okay, nothing to change here. Okay, here k. Okay, k is not defined yet, right? K is what? K is what? Cursor of x. Okay, cursor of x. This is the number of the total regressors. Total regressors. Okay, let me try to run this. And command window. Oh, K, T is sample size, right? Let me define the sample size here. T is loss of y, right? So then this can be replaced by capital T, right? So then here, okay, right? You can see here, okay. We can see some important regressors, right? Here this one, here, the first, here, this is the this is second, right? First and second. First is interceptor. Second is, I don't know, whatever it is. The second regressor. First one is definitely interceptor. The second regressor is important, and third is not that important, but fourth and fifth are definitely important. And sixth is, yeah, this is quite good, and the others are quite low, and then this one, so 13th, right? And 15th are also important, right? Okay, So let's take a look at what variables are. So then, where are they? Here. Okay. Okay. All right. This I can't see in this dependent variable, and here. Okay, let me open this file with Excel. Sorry. Okay. All right. So then this is the here in this figure. This is the second regression, right? And then this is apartment price index. I mean the nationwide. Okay, nationwide. Right. And then the third one. This one is this is the region price index. In Korean 전세 가격 지수. And the next one is important. Here, this one is the lead price index in Seoul. Okay, the 전세 가격 지수 in Seoul. And then the next one is CPI inflation rate in Seoul, like this. And what about this? What about this? I think this is this 15th, 14th, 13th, right? Okay, 13th. That means 13th. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and then must be 14 here, 13, then 12, right? M2. This is money growth. Okay, money growth, right? Okay, right. So these variables are these variables are found to be important in fitting or explaining the apartment price index growth in Seoul, right? Okay, right. Okay. So then let me try with different values of B0. Okay. Let's try with B001. Just 0.1. Okay. That's 0.1. That's 0.1. Right. Quite similar, but the previous, yes, we had this one. Yeah, not that much different, right? Yeah, it's good. Excuse me. If this is 0.0001, if this is too small. Yes, so then we have more important variables, right? But a priori, how do we know that 0.001 is better than 0.00001? We don't know, right? We have to compare different values of B0, right? So question is how to compare the values for B0, okay? We are going to compare different values of B0 by using out of sample forecasting, okay? We are going to choose the best B0, providing or producing the most accurate out of sample density forecasting, okay? And this process again is called tuning, okay? We are going to do the tuning process many times, right? Okay, this is just the usual step of the machine learning. Okay, right. Okay, and let me go back to 0, 0, 1 here. Okay, it's running. Yeah, looks good. Okay, I think, yeah, we are done.